If you weren't in here and you have a small child who is susceptible to scares and is frightened easily, I suggest you remove them. I'll give you a couple minutes to do that. And if you haven't moved yet and you want the more theatrical experience, please come to the lower level. You can do that now as well. I ask that you refrain from exiting during the performance because I said so. I'm trying not to give too much. That's what I've said to my toddler these days. I'm trying not to give too much away, but try not to leave because it'll, like that. Anyway, this piece has been one of the most fun pieces that I've gotten to work on, and I think they could agree with that. It's not been the most technically challenging, it's educational in its own way, but it's not technically difficult. It has just been a lot of fun. And I will say it's one of technically the hardest director's scores I have ever had to look at. The music that the director looks at, it's been challenging. If you want to see it, it's cool, I'll show you later. But we've had a really, really fun time preparing it, and we're really, really excited to present it to you guys. So without further ado, this piece is titled Voodoo by Daniel Buckfinch.